Just going for our first break-in miles with the new clutch. As bad as I want to go snow wheeling, I also want to make sure that we break this thing in properly so that it'll be good for a long time and hold up to the power that I'm hopefully going to be adding to this thing here sometime soon. So anyway, our buddy Ryan's got that little Leelanau Adventure RC, and he's got a test and tune day, so we're just going to take the little SCX 24s up there and play around on his RC course, and that gives us a good excuse to go for a decent drive and put some miles on this thing. So far initial impressions are I'm not sure what clutch was in the truck before. The clutch pedal feels very like soft comparatively. I mean, it feels like a stock truck clutch, like I would expect a stock Tacoma to feel. The pedal before was firmer, and I am not sure why that is. I don't know if the truck already had an aftermarket clutch in it, or if something was going wrong with the original clutch the whole time that I've owned it and I just didn't know. But yeah, drives great, shifts smooth, and just looking forward to getting some miles on it today, out and about in the blustery northern Michigan weather. So should be a good time. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not like that with a real truck. Spend more time on it. Slushy slop, 13.5-inch wide mud tires. Less than ideal. It looks nice out though. So the one thing we learned in all of our driving around today is that the lingering smell of burnt clutch will not go away inside the cab. So we had to go pick up some classic black ice air freshener. See if we can tone it down in here a little bit. So, trying to get rid of some of the burnt clutch smell in here. It's masking it. But just got home from work, and we probably, I don't know, My cousin just said he got a foot more of snow in Williamsburg today. We probably got a few inches here at my house. But I need to put some miles on this thing so we're ready for Rocks and Valleys next weekend. I don't want to do it on the roads necessarily, but I also don't want to be beaten on it. So I'm going to go hit some light duty 2-tracks. I know we're just going to click into 4-wheel drive and just go putzing around in the woods a little bit. Or I know we're not ramrodding on it, and just get out and play. The snow is beautiful out, and yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's like that out. Not too bad. Pull her back into 4. Just looking to get off of these main roads as fast as we can. This is the northern Michigan I like. Snow on the trees. Roads are just crappy enough. There isn't much traffic. Yeah. Don't get me wrong. I love the summer too, but this is about picture perfect Michigan winter right here. This is the winter wonderland we like. The truck with like 15 pounds of air in the tires doesn't even really seem to care that there's a bunch of snow. But of course, somebody's already driven through here, so we'll see what it feels like once we get into some stuff that people haven't driven in, which is right here. It doesn't seem to care anymore. Whether or not there's tracks or not. Oh, dude, this is sweet.
Yeah.
Reminds me of the day that we were out snow wheeling and the snow dust goes in the snorkel and it plugged my air filter. It's like blasting up over the fenders when it gets deep enough.
I see that.
Awesome. That's a hole.
Deer.
Just crossed up here. Bad as I want to play, we better not.
No.
We gotta break this clutch in properly before we go trying to climb any massive hills in the snow.
deep?
Sorry. How deep is that snow?
It's like up to my knees.
Dude. Sick. That's hilarious. I didn't mean to give you a bath.
Oh, you're good.
That was funny. Yeah, dude, this is sick.
Snow just off my hat.
Literally, like chunks of snow falling out of your head. Oh, dude, this is sweet. Look at this. Oh.
This is awesome.
Just blasting off the front of the fender. This is rad. Love it.
Blowing open the trail.
Sick. Oh yeah, this is rad.
Yeehaw.
It's even whisking up between the fender and the hood over here. There's like a little drift line.
Oh, I see it.
in between.